How's it going, everybody? In this video we will be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2015 Kia Optima. The filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle behind the glove box. Our first step is to open the glove box and remove everything inside. With everything removed, we can see that there are two plastic locks on the sides. These can be removed by twisting slightly and pulling them out towards the center of the glove box. The last thing holding the glove box up is this plastic air damper. We can disconnect this by sliding it off of the pin that it's pressed onto. We now have access to the cabin air filter cover. This is removed by pinching the right side together and pulling towards yourself. The left side should slide out of place when pulled forward. We can now see our old filter. To remove the old filter, simply pull it out towards you while keeping it flat. It's good to compare the new filter to the old one to ensure the dimensions are correct before reinstalling. This will ensure that you don't run into any fitment issues, especially if your new filter is aftermarket like mine. For the reinstall process, ensure that all obstructions are removed, then hold the new filter flat and slide it into place. It's okay to slightly squeeze the sides of the filter to get it started. Just make sure that it's not bending inside the box and it's sliding in evenly. We can then reinstall the cover by sliding the left side into the groove and pushing the right side in until it clicks into place. Next, we'll reinstall the plastic air damper by pushing it back onto the pin. Lastly, we'll reinstall the two plastic locks by aligning the inside plastic fins with the cutouts and twisting into place. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you could, please leave a like and subscribe.